Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by making sure your device supports a Memoji and that the OS is current. This avoids missing features. Once done, open Messages or FaceTime, tap the Apps or Effects icon, and choose the Memoji panel. You want to either pick an existing Memoji sticker set or tap New Memoji to begin. As you proceed, focus on the first features, skin, hairstyle, and eyes, because they define likeness and save time later when customizing accessories. Now you'll go deeper into customization to get the expression and character you want. Start with skin details and subtle marks to create a believable base, then move to hair, brows, and eye color. Use sliders to fine-tune size and position because small changes matter. Next, add accessories, glasses, hats, facial hair, and toggle symmetry or asymmetry, depending on the look. Make incremental saves as you go so you can compare versions. This prevents losing a preferred tweak. You'll finish by using and sharing the Memoji. Select stickers in Messages, record animated versions in FaceTime, or export as stickers to supported apps. When sending, choose static or animated formats. Tap and hold to preview before sending. Make sure to save favorites to access them quickly later. If the Memoji won't animate or shows errors, restart the app, check camera and microphone permissions, and verify the OS is updated. That one troubleshooting step fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.